Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Binance Passkey. Passkeys represent a significant leap in online security, offering a passwordless login experience. They utilize cryptographic key pairs, making your account much more secure against common threats like phishing. This method simplifies your login process while providing a robust defense, ensuring your digital assets remain protected with cutting-edge authentication technology. It's a modern, efficient, and highly secure alternative to traditional passwords. To begin, make sure your Binance application is fully updated to its most recent version, as Passkey functionality requires this. Once updated, open the app and access your account profile. From there, you will need to navigate to the Security Settings section. Within these settings, carefully locate the option specifically labeled Passkey or Passwordless Authentication to proceed with the setup. This is your gateway to enhanced account protection. Now, tap the Create Passkey button to start the process. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using its built-in biometric security features. This could involve using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or another secure method. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once authenticated, you will be asked to confirm the creation of your new Passkey, securely linking it to your Binance account for future logins. With your Passkey set up, logging into Binance becomes incredibly fast and secure. Simply choose the Passkey option at login and authenticate with your device. You can easily manage all your passkeys directly from the security settings within your Binance account, including deleting any you no longer need. For added convenience and backup, consider creating multiple passkeys on different trusted devices, ensuring seamless access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.